Hi everybody, Jessie K here again. I just had a couple of DIYs that I wanted to share with you guys for the Dollar Tree for your bag. If you're like a mom or anybody, these would work for you. So the first item is, I can't tell you how many times I've been in public and needed a straw for my kid and I didn't have one. Usually I keep them in my bag if we get like extra ones from a restaurant. But I found this DIY hack on Pinterest, and they are toothbrush cases for travel. And all you do, of course it's not going to work, is take out the travel case, open it up, throw a couple straws in there. It's going to work. And then of course, this one is defective. There we go. And then you have clean straws that are not bent or broken, and you can use it anytime. You just take that off and take a straw out. So I thought that was pretty handy. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to have in your bag that you can get at the Dollar Tree is the first aid kit. This comes with Band-Aids, gauze, alcohol preps, different sizes of Band-Aids for different needs. So that's a nice thing to keep in your purse. Even if you're not a mom, you never know when you're going to need these. Trust me, I've been at work before and someone's like, I need to clean something up. Does anybody have a wet napkin? And I'm like, I got wipes. Deodorant. Because I can't tell you how many times I've walked out of my house without putting this on because I'm so stressed out and trying to rush everybody out of the house so that we can get to where we're going, because we're still always 10-15 minutes late because toddlers just are not a fan of getting dressed and leaving the house. And then the last thing I have are these small containers. Now you can fill these with rice snacks or cookies or fruit snacks, and they'll stay in the container, not crumble up in your purse. I know sometimes I'll like leave granola bars in my purse, and from wear and tear they'll be smushed and broken. So you can just use these little plastic containers. I use these for my condiments. Like if I take salad to work, I put my ranch in these. So these are a nice little thing to put some snacks in. So if you have any ideas for mom hacks, DIYs, purse DIYs, please leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like videos like these, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And make sure to share. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.